This is how to put a computer together. First, you take your CPU, put it right there, and put the heat sink on top of it. That'll keep your CPU cold when it's doing its processing. Here's your RAM, and put it right there. It stands for Random Access Memory, and it stores all of the information on your computer while it's on. You usually want about 16 would be a really good amount of RAM, 16 gigabytes. 8 is also acceptable. Here's your hard drive. It stores all the information on your computer. You're going to plug that in and then connect it to the power source. Well, you're going to connect it to the motherboard first, and then you're going to connect. This is your video card, and it does all the graphics on your computer. Here's your power source. You're going to connect that to your motherboard. There we go.